Hi, this is Lisa Rangel with Chameleon Resumes, the premier executive resume writing company, and thank you so much for joining us today. Today, I'm going to talk about 3 ways that you can use AI to advance your executive job search. One of the best ways, I think, to use AI in your executive job search is to use it to identify key decision makers. In a job search, it may not be who you think are the obvious decision makers that would be involved in your process. So, doing that research in terms of identifying who might be a potential decision maker for your particular hire is pertinent. And it's not going to be obvious. Obviously, you're not going to be able to put in a prompt of who's the hiring manager for this position at, XYZ company, and it's going to spit it out, because that might vary based on different senior level hiring. It may not be apparent, obviously, to the AI gods that are doing the search, but at least we'll give you names of potential potential decision makers of who will be deciding amongst job seekers for that role. So it can help you with your research. And then if you want to reach out to any of those, one of the second ways that you can use AI is write prompts that can help you analyze those individual backgrounds to help you with maybe some suggestions for personalized networking outreach. You may not use all of those suggestions. I'm not saying follow them blindly, but it can give you some inspiration and some ideas to consider when you're creating personalized outreach with these individuals that maybe have been identified as potential decision makers. And then a third way to use AI in your executive job search is to use it for market research. See where there are inflows of business happening in certain industries, where certain disciplines might be in more demand or less demand in a particular industry. Look for what are happening, what's considered disruptive in certain industries or even in certain disciplines. So look for geographies that are either on the up or going down economically. These are all different ways that you can use AI to notice patterns that you can then pursue for where you can put yourself as a value add. So if this has been helpful, I'm going to have more of this at my next training. If you go to liveexecjobsearch.com, you will be able to register for my next live training. We show you how to execute a job search, which is mostly dependent on reaching out to people. We're doubling down on people here at Chameleon Resumes. We're using AI, but doubling down on people. So make sure you reach out to me there, register, and I look forward to seeing you then. Take good care.